less than 1 week, I finished the Everything But the Bagel Sesame Seasoning Blend by Trader Joe's. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to make my own. So on the ingredient list, the ingredients are listed in order of weight, beginning with the ingredient that weighs the most and ending with the ingredient that weighs the least. So based on this, I've put 20 grams of sesame seeds into a mason jar, and I'll follow that with about 15 grams of sea salt flakes. Now make sure you're not using table salt. You actually want to use ones that are flaked, so that it gives you a nice type of crunch in your mouth when you are using the seasoning blend. Next, I'll be adding in some dehydrated garlic flakes, and this you can buy at grocery stores like Asian markets, as well as things like Bulk Barn. And so to it, I'm going to add roughly 13 grams of the dehydrated garlic flakes, followed by the dehydrated minced onion. I added roughly 12 grams of it. I like it more oniony, so I just made it roughly the same amount as the garlic. Now the next ingredient is black sesame seeds. I opted out of the black sesame seeds because number one, I couldn't find them, and so that's the main reason. And so I'm going to be using chia seeds instead. So these are the Prana Proactive, which is the probiotic chia seeds. And last but not least, we have some poppy seeds. The most important step now is to close the lid and shake up everything together. Now it's time to transfer it back to the original bottle. You have to try it out to make sure it tastes right. So here I've just toasted up my rice cake. Yes, you have to put the rice cake in the toaster. It makes the world of a difference. And then I'm gonna take a spread of, I have this wholesome goat cheese spread that I'm gonna be using today. So I'm gonna spread that all over. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I think next time I'll be adding in a touch bit more of the onion flakes, but other than that, it's delicious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.